welcome everybody. Sorry for the delay. It's good to see you all even though it's virtually. Hope you all had a fab Diwali, safe at home with your friends and family. I just realized that whenever one thinks of festivals, we only think of friends, family, and home. And that's what we are here to celebrate today. A friend who's truly like family for me, and a home that is very special and has a million memories. So just ruk jao. I'll tell you all everything. First of all, we are all here. I'm here thanks to Airbnb, which is one of the world's largest marketplaces for unique and authentic places to stay and things to do, offering over 7 million accommodations, all powered by local hosts. Unbelievable. I must tell you, I had the most fun and hassle free holiday last year in Barcelona, all thanks to Airbnb. We stayed in this beautiful, spacious villa right in the center of the city. And to top it all the amenities were provided in the house by the hosts, along with a list of things for the children to do, where to shop, where to eat, find local markets and cafes. It was just spectacular. I've decided Airbnb is my way to go for my next holiday. But now, enough planning the next holiday. Uh, Without much ado, let me invite Mr. Amanpreet Bajaj, General Manager, Airbnb India, Southeast Asia, Hong Kong, and Taiwan, to tell us what's in store for us. Mr. Bajaj, over to you.
Thank you, Farah, and good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for taking out time to join us today.
Yes.
I wanted to take a moment to tell you why this launch is so special to us. So you see, offering people unique experiences and connecting great hosts who have a passion for hospitality with guests who have a passion for travel has always been in the Airbnb's DNA. What we see today is that travelers are increasingly asking for unique and memorable experiences, and that is what we deliver. So, from penthouses to century old heritage villas, castles, and tree houses, we aim to offer unique accommodations that people dream of. Further, we want to continue to curate experiences that are authentic and exceptional. So, whether it's a glimpse into the life of a much loved family or an online cooking experience with award winning chefs when people can't travel, all of it is on available on Airbnb. But talking about all things unique, the Only on Airbnb initiative is how we are offering guests a one of a kind immersive experience that they've never seen before. But while we talk about accommodation, while we talk about experiences, I think I want to call out one thing. What makes these experiences truly special are the people behind it, our hosts. We've always said this and I'll say it again. The magic was and always will be in the people. The authenticity of all that our hosts share, the passion with which they share it, and the personal connect they create with their guests is what make our offerings uniquely Airbnb. And today, I'm very excited as we are here to celebrate a very special family, a very beautiful home, and to welcome our first Bollywood host and the person behind that home, the one and only Gauri Khan.
Woo-hoo! Welcome, Gauri. Big shout out. How are you?
Very well. How are you? I can't.
Gauri, looking extremely glamorous as usual in your beautiful house.
Thank you. Thank you.
This Gauri, I just want to ask you first of all, you've been a producer, you've been a interior designer, world famous interior designer. You used had was a costume designer earlier. Super mom, wife, kuch to chhod de Gauri. One more thing
I'm
added to your list,
putting my hands in too many pies now. I think
but
it's
the
time to
pies are all turning out delicious, so nobody's minding.
hopefully, yes.
Now,
Fingers.
this Airbnb's first Bollywood host. I mean, that is something really a surprise, Gauri, and something quite extraordinary. I mean, the first time I'm hearing of something like this worldwide. So, how did this collaboration come about
Um,
with Airbnb? Is it true that you went to LA
no.
and you stayed in an Airbnb beautiful house, and that's how
Well, the collaboration has actually begun with my Delhi home,
with the
and
Delhi home?
yes, which of course you're aware of, and
Of course.
Delhi has always been very special in both mine and Shah Rukh's life. It's the city where our journey started. We, we made this house our home over the last few decades. And this beautiful home has witnessed so many happy memories together. And actually, the concept of Airbnb has fascinated me, and it was such a seamless experience when we went to LA.
When you went to LA, when the kids were going to college.
Yes, and it was like, a home away from home. And this campaign was actually sparked by the fantastic experience we
Was
had.
that the first time you were staying in a home and not a hotel, or a home that didn't belong to you?
Yeah, so we had gone to drop the kids off to college last year,
Hmm.
and we were staying in this Airbnb home, and the entire experience was so beautiful, and it was just fantastic. And when I got back, we had a few meetings with the Airbnb team, and we started working very closely regarding my Delhi home, as I spoke to you about.
The Delhi home, which I want to tell everyone, I've stayed in. I've had some wonderful memories of Delhi thanks to Gauri and actually her parents' home earlier.
Yeah.
Oh, and
So
I used to live there. Hmm.
exactly. So this association was, we decided to collaborate, starting with, our Delhi home, and I designed my Delhi home so that we can air it on Airbnb, and it's all about design, because I think Airbnb focuses on the concept of home away from home, which I totally agree on principle with. It's connected to my design space, my sensibility as an interior designer. So it, I think, beautifully blended their concept and my collaboration as a designer. And I refurbished the whole Delhi home. Um,
The
um, Putting it on Airbnb. And yes, going to LA, having such a fantastic experience, being there, coming back, collaborating with Airbnb for my Delhi home, redesigning it. And today is a launch, and I'm so looking forward.
I'm Gauri. I am dying to see this new design because I have stayed in a home long ago where it was a typical Delhi house, very warm, cozy, but very typically, like a family home. So this
Oh,
new
like that.
aesthetic of
No,
yours.
so exactly. So when I say refurbish, of course you find all those elements, because this
Yeah.
book is about what we've collected and what we've, over so many years. It's like it's been very organic, the whole process of
Okay.
design, and it's like all things which children picked up over the years in the holidays, and
Also, your personal memorabilia, all your personal memories, everything is still there in the home.
all there, but it's just been repackaged, I think, for this
Yeah, we know how good you are at repackaging and making everything
repackaged
look.
the whole thing, and it's all our memories and all our lovely things which we've collected over the years, and
So
just
it still has a personal touch in it.
yeah, yeah,
It's
absolutely,
not like a hotel which has just been redone. It's still your home.
yeah, absolutely.
Like
That's
you, Shahrukh, your kids will still go and live there when y'all go to Delhi, whenever y'all go.
yeah.
It's
So,
quite often. Huh.
so the question is that yes, the collaboration was uh, going to going to LA and being with the family and having such a fabulous experience. Coming back, discussing what we can do together, and that's how the Delhi home came up, and that's how it all began.
I think, Gauri, there are millions of people, fans, who would love to see what this home looks like. And I think we have a video, right, guys? We have a
Yes.
video to show what the new home looks like. So I think before I talk too much about it, let's just see the video.
Yeah, absolutely.
Gauri, is that the house I lived in? It doesn't look like that.
Or the
Looks
changes.
spectacular.
You can't expose me like this.
No, it looks spectacular. I can't believe.
No,
I'm
but
feeling like it's a London house or an LA house or something.
so it's a no. I don't think there's that much change. That's the beauty in the beauty of a designer. That
Yes, we know you all about your beauty. We are here to praise it today, not to worry. But I remember the staircase and all, but how well have you done up the wall behind it? And
exactly. So all the product still remains, but we've just, as I said, spruced it up. That's what we've done. And I think you have to go there again and
I think I'm going to go there, but I'm going to go there with you.
let's plan.
Let's make another plan. But now, Gauri, you need to tell me what inspired the design of this house. Because was it specially for Airbnb or was it something you've been wanting to do to the house anyway?
Well, this home is truly special because I've personally curated every corner. It's a
That you do with all your homes.
it's a glimpse.
So actually, it'll truly be like staying in one of your homes. Because I've stayed in Gauri's Dubai home and Delhi home and they're truly personal spaces.
Done the rounds everywhere. I think you have to go back again to this Delhi home.
Yes.
Talking so much about.
Gauri, are you in a mood to do a quick fire? What's your favorite cuisine?
I can't say Chinese.
You better not say that now.
So that we should
Indian.
out of the list.
And I'm also not going to ask you who cooks better, you or Shahrukh, because I know Shahrukh cooks damn well. True. Okay, Gauri, there are some questions from the media. The first one is, what is your most special piece of art in your house? I guess we're still talking about the Delhi house.
Yeah, so there is this antique rug that I picked up from a flea market in New York, which is I think
Wow.
a decade or over. I don't even remember, so many years back. And I was wondering where to place it, So it was so special that I decided to mount it on a frame and use it like a painting.
Lovely, Gauri, looking lovely, and all the best.
You, Farah, lovely that we could chat
at least like this and not only on the phone.
on the phone. So it was good fun. And I'll see you
So
soon.
all the best. I think Airbnb is truly going to, this is a unique collaboration. I think it's going to set the way for many more unique collaborations.
Yes.
As we know, Gauri, you're doing everything. I'm very jealous. On this note, I'm going off. Bye-bye, love.